When calculating investment returns, the simple average can be misleading. Let's look at why the geometric mean is the better tool for investors. The geometric mean is a specific type of average that shows the central tendency of a set of numbers by using their product. Unlike the arithmetic mean, which just adds numbers up, the geometric mean accounts for the compounding effect of money over time. Investors use this to see the real growth rate of their portfolio because it smooths out the impact of yearly market swings. The arithmetic mean can make a volatile investment look better than it actually performed, whereas the geometric mean provides a more honest picture. Imagine an asset that gains 20%, drops 10, then gains 15. The geometric mean shows what that average yearly growth actually looks like. Always look for the geometric mean when checking historical fund performance to avoid being misled by simple averages. Understanding these math concepts helps you make better sense of your investments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more finance basics.